These 15 jobs are being threatened by AI as we speak. With every passing day, this technology is getting better and better. Industry leaders are salivating over the fact they might be able to cut costs by using AI over real people. And in my opinion, these 15 jobs are going to be radically transformed, if not eliminated, by the advent of AI. Before you leave your hate comments, this video is just my opinion. And my intention is to have this discussion so you can stay prepared and take advantage of these new and exciting tools and not be left in the dust. So let's get started. We're going to start off controversial, and that's coding and developers. Before you start giving me death threats, hear me out. I don't think the rule of coding will completely go away, but it's definitely going to be radically transformed by AI. AI can already generate decent boilerplate code to help you get more work done in less time. But what happens on GPT-6 or 7 when it can code entire apps from a single prompt or even a website? And it's true that these systems are only going to get better, and it would be silly to not take this as a serious threat. AI will be able to program, debug, and improve its code automatically in the future. And it's already happening with tools like AutoGPT and autonomous agents. Ahmad Mustaq, the founder of Stable Diffusion, even said,
"So an inevitable is 41% of all code on GitHub right now is AI generated. ChatGPT can pass a GLUE level 3 programmer exam and it will run pretty much on a MacBook or a phone."
And that's this year.
This year, right now.
Yeah.
There are no programmers in 5 years.
I personally, and I think most of you too, do not agree with this. Coding is still a very lucrative career path, and knowing how to code will be here to stay. I don't think it's going away anytime soon. What I think is going to happen is that AI will replace all the lower entry-level coding jobs. The barrier to entry will become extremely high, and now anyone can generate code, websites, or an app. And the best coders in the future are going to be the ones who know how to prompt the AI to get code and craft it into any application they want. Leveraging these tools is how you can stay ahead. I don't think coding will be dead in 5 years, but I think over time, the responsibilities of an average coder will be heightened, with many lower level coding jobs being replaced by AI. Proofreading is another job that seems ripe to be taken by AI. Proofreaders do just that. They proofread articles and text. And this job has already been on the out and has already been replaced by tools like Grammarly, and now you can even use the AI chatbots. You can just paste your text into the chatbot and ask it to correct any mistakes and grammatical errors. Now there's no need to hire someone to check your papers to make sure they sound good. You know it, you probably hate it. Telemarketing is going to go away by AI. Yes, those robocalls trying to get you to pay $10,000 to a Saudi prince or pay the IRS tax fraud you committed 5 years ago, those ones. With text-to-speech AI, these calls are going to get more and more automated, with AI doing all the work calling and leaving messages. Why hire a staff of people to call clients and prospects when AI can do it on a larger and cheaper scale? Accountants are another job that could be replaced by AI. But this is one I think will just be radically transformed by AI rather than completely replaced. Integrations with GPT and Google Sheets have already been exploding, and you can do all sorts of stuff to automate your spreadsheets and calculate information much faster. But as these tools get more and more sophisticated, it'll be easier and cheaper to have an accountant assistant be a chatbot than a physical person. I think in the future, accountants are going to be able to work with many more clients in less time, and the main task of their jobs will be managing and overseeing the jobs that the AI is doing to make sure everything checks out. I don't think the entire role will be replaced. Instead, lots of the boring spreadsheet tasks will be taken care of by AI. Knowing how to utilize these tools is key if you want to stay ahead of the game. And I have a full tutorial walking through how to do this for both Google Sheets and Excel, which you can check out somewhere up here. Actors, voice artists, and scriptwriters are the next on this list. And this topic is getting heated. The Hollywood strikes are still taking place over staff and actors not being paid enough to live in a city with housing that's 10 times more than I've ever made for living in a shoebox. But there's a demand for higher wages from all employees, all while Hollywood managers are looking to find much cheaper ways to work on their productions to cut costs. And that means using AI. Netflix, for example, just released an article saying that they would pay upwards of $900,000 for an AI specialist. And it's not to make copy and paste emails and generate logos, but to replace the role of actors, actresses, and voiceovers. A person to replicate and redefine what it means to be in the corporate entertainment industry. In my honest opinion, this one is just sad, but it was bound to happen. From my tiny understanding of the Hollywood industry, most people just want money, and they will go to any means necessary to get that bag, even if it means replacing the people who got them there. It's a scary time to be an actor, and with this technology on the rise, it's only going to get better and better at replacing these on-screen roles and responsibilities. possibilities. Script writing can be done in a bot, 11 labs for voice cloning, diffusion for art. One prediction I have is that we could see a resurgence in live theater as content gets so oversaturated and mass produced that maybe an in-person play might become the new thing for actors, just like the good old days. But that's just a prediction. Nevertheless, it's still seemingly clear that AI will be able to replace these actors and voiceover artists. Only the most exceptional will still be able to have a job. Delivery people seem like another job that might go away with AI. With drone delivery seeming like the next step in automation for businesses like Amazon, it seems like it's becoming clear that delivery people will be the next to go in the age of automation. I personally don't see this one coming anytime soon, but it's something to look out for as it becomes easier to deliver goods with robots and drones. Once again, it all comes down to doing the same job better, faster, and cheaper, and that means replacing the person that gets paid to do it. Customer service representatives are also on the chopping block. AI chatbots are here to stay, and with that, more businesses and companies are going to be using them to help facilitate their support. This means they won't be hiring as much in-person staff to answer questions and support you may need. This means it's likely going to be even more impossible to get an actual person to speak with you when you need to discuss why AT&T is billing me for every time I turn on my phone. But on the flip side, for consumers, it might actually be easier to use a chatbot if it can actually help and answer questions better and faster than an actual person. Data entry roles are also another job that I could see going away within the next 3 to 5 years. And this can be defined as anyone whose job is just to move data around from one place to another, like filling out spreadsheets, important product data, or filling out numbers. These jobs can already be outsourced with tools like Zapier and ChatGPT. I have a full video here showcasing 21 great ideas you can use if you want to make your workflow much more optimized by using some of these automated tools. But anyway, these jobs that just shuffle data around are going to go extinct, mainly because of the automated systems that can do it better, faster, and cheaper. The next job that AI will be taking over is soldiers. Global governments are already doing this by trying to make human-like robots as fighting machines. This to me is good and also very terrifying. It's good that we're not sending people to die, but now we're sending robots to kill people in a 10 times more powerful and destructive way. This is a scary future we're headed toward. Like, imagine a timeline where Putin has a factory that's just powered by AI and it mass produces AI drones and robots to conquer other countries for him. People won't be revolting because their loved ones won't be dying. It'll just be the robots instead. Lifeless entities sent out for battle. I hope this kind of stuff never ends up happening, and I'll just make funny pictures of monkeys instead. Another task that's going to become automated is manufacturing workers. With robots and AI becoming more and more autonomous, there is a huge incentive to build robots that are quicker, better, and cheaper than people. Some highly skilled jobs might be in good shape, but that's only if a robot hasn't been made yet to do it instead. Travel agents are another job that can already now be completely automated by AI. Imagine instead of having to pay a travel rep to book and plan everything for you, an AI chatbot will be able to give you a cheaper, more customized, exclusively tailored trip perfect for you and your budget almost instantly. No more having to negotiate with travel sales reps trying to get you to upgrade to see the local zoo. The common man travel agent will be simplified and streamlined to a chatbot. The role for a human travel agent will only be offered to premium clients and services who can afford to work with other people to get a more personalized touch on their vacations. The next job that AI is set to automate are drivers. Self-driving cars seems like an inevitability at this point, and it's something humans have dreamt about since the concept of a vehicle. And now it seems more likely than ever that this will eventually become a reality. It's not certain when, but over time it will make much more sense for trucking companies to start replacing drivers, as that makes the most financial sense for them. I don't see drivers getting replaced in the next 5 to 10 years, but maybe past that, I think it's a real possibility we could see those jobs going away. Graphic designers are another job that will be significantly altered by AI. With tools like Midjourney, now anyone can become a graphic designer. All it takes is knowing how to make prompts and designs that fit with your client's vision. This aspect takes some skills to know, but the barrier of entry for the job just got significantly lower. In my opinion, to succeed in this industry in the future, you'll have to craft a unique style and taste that people can resonate with over just being able to generate images. Focus on building a style that's unique to you. And of course, you will need to use these image generation tools to help you get ideas and styles, but don't stop there. The best graphic designers in the future are going to be the ones who use this AI technology to 10 times their creative output by using these tools to streamline and multiply their processes. I don't think this role will be completely replaced by AI, but succeeding in a career of solely being a graphic designer will get much more challenging. Copywriting is also another industry that's already being severely disrupted by AI. ChatGPT has made it effortless to make copy and text that can fulfill the need of most people. And this begs the question, why hire a copywriter. People who are hired for these tasks and jobs will add that human touch that an AI can't detect. There might be a particular title that AI thinks will work well, which may not fit the particular branding a company wants. But the majority of people will just outsource that to the AI chatbot. It'll be an industry that will be super hard to break into in the future if you're not already on top of your game now. Blog writers and journalists are also an industry that's going to be affected hugely by the AI revolution. With the advent of GPT, there are already tons of tools that offer one-click blog posts and articles. And now there's even tons of websites pumping out all kinds of AI-generated content. Lots of news sites are already flooding their pages with AI-generated nonsense, just to get people to click on their website to show ads to. Some news sites are trying to fight back by not allowing AI on their website, but others are going all in. But nevertheless, AI is affecting the way these blog writers and journalists make content and a living. Why spend hours writing a paper when you can just click a button and have it done in seconds? Much like all these other jobs, the ones who keep their job will be the ones with the best opinions and critiques. I don't want this video to be all doom and gloom though, because it's not. You need to consider how you can utilize these AI tools to take advantage of them. Emad Mostique even said it best. Ahmad Bastak even said it best.
AI is not going to replace humans. Humans with AI will replace humans that don't use AI. Because you can see that in your workflows right now.
So that's the 15 jobs that I think will be replaced or significantly altered by AI. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Do you think these jobs will be replaced by AI? I would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. Also, smash the like button for more AI and automation insights. It really does help out the channel. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, check out this video here where I give you 21 great automation ideas to help supercharge your business and life. Anyway, that's going to be it for me in this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.